Hey everybody, Ryan here from Android Coliseum. I'm going to show you a neat thing that I've never really realized or played around with before on the um, Google Chrome and the browser. Is that if you're like me, you tend to have a certain amount of tabs almost always open a lot of times. So how do we group them? I mean, you can see that in regular Chrome, there's ways to group tabs. Not a big fan of it, but this here, it makes sense to me. So the way you want to do this is you want to go into, Google Chrome, hit that tab button. So I'll just bring up this and I want to hit that button there to bring me into the tabs list. Then I'm going to tap here and choose group tabs. So this can do, it can pick this, that, and the other that they want to go together. So let's say things I want to buy to get, there's this guy, this guy, this guy, or basically a group of tabs that I want to purchase things at. Let's say, so there's the pipe band and there's the football. And there's something for the pipe band. These are tabs, I think, all my executive work stuff I want to move together. I can just long press and then just drag into it just like I would do with apps. Right? Whoops. And there. Let's say I want to do a new tab and I do like the worldometer. Trying not to be a doomsday person and always follow these things, but let's say I want to have my COVID data stuff grouped together. My local health unit, worldometer, and I do want to also add like how's my flattening. Right? And that's going to be saved into that group of tabs. So again, I can go and visit any one of these ones and say, okay, the tragically hip, shirt. I want to buy this hoodie, and you can see at the bottom here is either the tabs that are in that group, right? So it's always going to be just down here that they're going to have that option. You're always going to see it. So it does kind of sit off to the side. But let's say, so I want to add a tab in here. I want to go check out, so the Sweet North Bakery. So I can just go and double check whenever they're ready for sales, or I want to check, what's a milk and water baking company, right? They don't have a website, but whatever. So maybe I get rid of that. It doesn't automatically get rid of it there. But a quick way for me to always go, okay, instead of opening up and trying to scroll on all my tabs, which one did I keep open? I can just see, okay, well, which tabs I have open. Now, it doesn't let you name them, unfortunately, but you can reorder them as you would see fit. But it doesn't let you name them. That's the downside, I think. Which makes sense. There's be too many, a little less space there. Whoops. Undo that. I got rid of it. All the tabs got rid of them. But yeah, so a quick way to sort of get a look at all your tabs as you need. If you're like me, you keep a bunch of them always open. You always want to double check something about the executive. Make sure the information is just right. Oh, while I'm at it, better check the pipe band stuff. That there. All right, so that's a quick little review. I hope you guys find that little tip helpful and tell me how you're using it. Okay, thanks.